we are ready. Let's go. Show me, where are you? Hey, good morning. Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is a trip to वायनाड. हम लोगों ने बेंगलोर से मैसूर हाईवे लिया एंड वहाँ से थ्रू गुंडलुपेट टेकन द सुल्तान बैथरी रोड टू आवर रिजॉर्ट.
We are now here in Ruchimane for breakfast. We took the ring road. Once you enter Mysore, वहाँ से हम लोगों ने रिंग रोड लिया एंड रिंग रोड से we took again towards this Gundlupit road. So we got this Ruchimane on the way. It is before airport, besides Shell petrol pump. So we have stopped here for breakfast. Let's see what we can get here.
I just woke up now.
You woke up?
We had our breakfast. Now we are gonna start our next journey.
Yeah, rest of the journey will start now, right? Welcome to Gundlupit. Gundlupit, we have to take a right turn. I think 2 more kilometers for a right turn. From Gundlupit road, now we are going to take this Sultan Battery road. Here on the way, we saw a sunflower farm. See, all people have stopped here to click photos. If you see here, see, these many cars are parked. I think we have reached the checkpost.
What checkpost?
To enter to Kerala, I think they charge something from this road because it is through a forest. नहीं है change. Per, I think, vehicle, yeah, it's 20 rupees per vehicle. So we have entered this forest.
Bandipur Tiger Reserve.
This is the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. We are still in Karnataka only.
It's very dry now. Let's see if we can spot some animals.
It's already 11 o'clock. We might not spot anything. If you come early in the morning, for sure you will spot animals. Let's see, Darshna. क्या दिखता है आज हम लोगों को? See, Darsh, these are monkeys. All sitting on the road. Darsh, we are entering now to Kerala. See, welcome to Kerala state.
Now we have entered Wayanad.
Wildlife sanctuary. See, hey, kita deer.
Oh.
देखिन Darsh? Hey, kita.
Rokai dia mas slow कर दे.
Hey, kita so जंगल में जाता. East Sultan Battery. तो यहाँ से 52 kilometers more 1 hour 44 minutes. I think this is the pets they were talking about, that it is full off road where the road condition is very bad. यहाँ पे देख ही सकते हो आप लोग. यहाँ पे I think 2-3 resorts हैं in this road only. ये रास्ता काफी खराब रोड है.
This is around almost 3 kilometers.
3.3 kilometers.
3.3. Look at the road. It's not road, it's off road.
See, there's pure jungle. Oh, see, there's this side. There is a stream.
Oh.
Nice stream. We are on the other side of the lake. हम लोग not lake, dam. हम लोग इस side में हैं. The actual entrance and everything for the dam is on the other side. See, that one. See, that in the mountain. We are almost reaching. देखो एक वाटर स्ट्रीम है, रिजॉर्ट के पास ही है, and this water stream that is coming up from here, it is connected to the dam. See, mountain shadows. Thus we have reached our location.
There.
इनका पार्किंग एरिया यहाँ पे है. So यहाँ से बगील में लेके जा. Yes, our car is there. तो यहाँ से बगी से लेके जाता है.
कितना एकड़ का है ये?
See that one, dam.
अच्छा ये सारों साइड ही डैम है क्या? हाँ, ये डैम का। हाँ, इस साइड भी
We are on an island.
We are on an island.
Banasura Sagar Dam Island. There is a room.
This is the largest art dam in India and second in Asia.
See, we have reached the reception. Chalo. Thank you. व्यूज बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, mesmerizing views. We are at the reception now. We have just reached. So formalities वगैरह हो रहे हैं. See the views.
My name is Sai. Okay. The breakfast time is 8 to 10 and the lunch is 1 to 3 and the dinner also 8 to 10. Okay. And we are also providing a complimentary high tea. It's kind Kerala style snacks, tea like that. It's evening 5 to 6. We have a tea shop. Okay. It's in near parking area. You can call the buggy for that. You can call everything for buggy. Okay. Just dial 9 for that. It's a reception. We have a yoga areas here, sir. It's morning,
This one?
okay. Morning 7 to 8 and evening 4 to 5. Okay, we have a yoga. Okay. We have a yoga instructor. He will guide for indoor game area and outdoor game area. The indoor game area is coming from lobby. You can just take left and upstairs. There's a signage board. It's till 10 p.m. It's morning 7 to till 10 p.m. And it's opposite we have a gym also. And the outdoor game area is basketball court, football, cricket, and we have a cycling also. Cycling is morning 7 to evening 6:30. Okay, you can just take the cycle from the parking. It's have a different pathway. You are not allowed to take the wheel or the cycle.
Okay.
You can just ask the security. He will guide you.
Okay.
We are now going to our room. We reached our room. Let's go. हम लोगों ने अभी just check in किया. Let's see. Let's take a room tour. We are staying in 302. Hello.
Hi. This is our bed. Which room?
This is our room. Quite a big room, right?
It's a biggest.
काफी बड़ा room है. Place luggage. There is one wardrobe. Open it. दिखाओ. Nice. There is a small sitting area as well, right?
Now sitting area to watch TV. Is this also sitting bed and watch TV?
There is a study table.
They have some.
Cookies and everything they have given. Oh, they have cutter also given again. This opener, cutter,
With
coffee,
complete,
compliments.
Okay.
There is a freeze here. Cold drinks and all these things are there.
Let's go. Wait, is this locked?
This is the shower area. Okay. See, from the bathroom you can see outside.
I know.
That is the bedroom.
I know that. I can see the now. I can see my tummy.
Let's go to our balcony. Let's see. Wait, open this one first.
Wait, let me help you.
Mama will help. Wait. Okay. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What a view! Very nice. Oh my God.
Look, a big people.
See, look at the view. Do you know this? What is this, Dars? Dars, what is this? You know? This is Banasura Sagar Dam. What are you doing? Hey, chilling. Eh? See, there is a speedboat that's coming. See here.
Yeah.
Yes.
No,
Two speedboats. We'll go there.
No, we'll go there, but we'll come this side.
Oh, from the speed with the means from
The
the
speedboat
speedboat.
is crossing us.
Yes.
शाम को वी वेंट फॉर द हाई टी. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस रखे हुए थे. लाइव पकोड़ा वगैरह बना रहे थे. कुछ स्वीट्स के ऑप्शंस थे. चाय कॉफ़ी बोथ द थिंग्स वर देयर. प्लस वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स वगैरह भी रखा हुआ था जो लाइव काउंटर्स में बनाते थे. प्लस गोलगप्पे वगैरह भी थे. यू कैन आस्क व्हाट टू प्रिपेयर, दे विल प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंगली.
यहाँ पे इन लोगों का आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज़ भी है. आउटडोर गेम्स वगैरह, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल. वेरी नाइस. This is besides this. dam itself, and they are serving coffee, tea, and all those things there in that area.
Wow! Very nice.
Chalo. See, this is the night view of the dam from the balcony. If you see, one car is going from that side, right? That is the way. Full off-roading है यहाँ से 3 किलोमीटर. And यहाँ है इस side the mountain. Hey, there's. What are you doing? Drawing. Indoor games area. Let's see. This is the gym area. This side is the indoor games area. Let's see what options are there. See the view, very beautiful. From here you can see the Banasura Dam Lake, and see this infinity pool. Plus they have this, I think for special occasions and all. They have decorated it very well. This is the swimming pool. And see the view.
So in this trial, we basically take the guests to see the nocturnal creatures around.
Okay.
So we get to see different types of frogs, snakes,
Oh.
lizards sometimes, and some insects, spiders and all.
Okay.
So we are actually surrounded by a beautiful mountain rainforest.
Yeah.
So we have elephants, we get to see gaur, the Indian bison.
Oh, bisons are
We
also
have 3 different types of deer, which
Oh.
is like sambar deer,
Uh-huh.
spotted deer and mouse deer.
there. Okay.
And we get to see 2 types of monkeys here. Can you see there is a lizard?
Where? Oh. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Just hanging on it. This is resting right now, where they because they are cold-blooded.
Okay.
So they need sunlight to warm up their body temperature, and they're active in the morning. They won't move. They move means if you disturb, they will move, but they're not.
Yeah, yeah.
They're not active right now. Bush frogs, so they don't have the tadpole stage. So they lay eggs on the leaf, and the leaf from the eggs they directly emerge as an adult frog. The maximum size.
Oh, it's a grown-up one.
It's a grown-up one. Yes.
It's the same color.
Yeah, it's the same color of the tree. So this is like a shed actually. If you look at this is like an ornament.
They have given us a complimentary cake, huh? Welcome cake. So we are cutting the welcome cake. We are going to have our dinner now. Had your dinner? Done? Morning. Let's see outside. They're still sleeping.
Hello everybody, now we are going to breakfast.
This is a study area, library. See, there's a old design telephone also.
You have so much holding.
रेस्टोरेंट से इनके व्यूज़ काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. इनके बोथ इंडोर एंड आउटडोर सिटिंग एरियाज हैं. आफ्टर हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट हम लोग इंडोर गेम्स में गए, कुछ गेम्स खेले उधर।
See the view from the gym.
एंड थोड़े टाइम के लिए स्विमिंग पूल भी गए थे।
Hello there. See, this is a classroom kind of a thing for candlelight dinners and everything. This whole property is a mountain only. It's an island. So it's a big mountain. All these rooms have lake view. That is the plus point. They have private pool villas as well. This truck name is Shaktiman.
Golden, bye-bye.
Hey. See the view, that's very, very beautiful view. Good morning. Woke up for sunrise. To watch the sunrise. Let's go. There's. Did you watch the sunrise? Yes. Beautiful sunrise. We are on a bird watching tour. That's a kingfisher bird. Let's see this one.
Oh, both of them.
Two are there. Three. Backside one more is there.
Oh, tree.
See.
Green color.
He's eating.
Yeah, they eating that berries.
Fell down.
So this one is called white-cheeked barbet.
Wow.
Did you see that dress? It's called jungle crow.
Jungle crow. It's a large. It's known as large-billed crow. It's completely black and it's a large beak.
That's a bulbul bird, and besides that, moon also is there. See?
I saw even.
Oh, that's their home, I think. That's the whole.
It's the
I
starling.
saw.
This creeper.
Okay, this creeper flower is this one.
ये वाले प्रॉपर्टी में everywhere there is a view. Wherever you go, wherever you walk, you can get a great view. Hello there. ये लोग रेस्टोरेंट में है, ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं. बाय बाय. एक साइड में ये माउंटेन है. In this side, if you see the lake, this dam, it is the largest art dam. So that is why from all sides you can see the dam water. Very, very beautiful. ये रिजॉर्ट भी इन लोगों ने काफ़ी अच्छे से मेंटेन किया है, though it is mountain and lot of trees and everything, but इन लोगों ने काफ़ी अच्छे से मेंटेन किया हुआ है. एंड दे हैव ए डिफरेंट साइकिल ट्रेल एज वेल, क्योंकि ये चढ़ाई है, सो साइकिल चलाने के लिए उन लोगों ने अलग सा एक ट्रेल बना के रखा हुआ है, सो दैट यू कैन रोम अराउंड द साइकिल यूजिंग ए साइकिल ऑल्सो. रिसेप्शन एरिया तक कार्स नहीं आते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई देयर इज़ अ पार्किंग लॉट इन द डाउन, जहाँ पे कार्स पार्क करते हैं. And you will get buggies there. Buggies will be available always there. वहाँ से they pick you up to the reception area. Reception is high up on a mountain. Parking area भी बड़ा है काफ़ी. They have different layers of parking. जैसे कि ये एक है वहाँ पे एक पार्किंग एरिया है. Similarly, that side also one parking behind this bamboo plant.
By mountains
We are checking out from this beautiful resort. And now we are heading back home.
Beautiful peacock. Yes, does.
Where? Yeah, there is langur also.
Langur and deer.
I know.
Lots of deer.
They are sitting there, sir. Does say the Bransford. Did you see that? Those monkeys.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, big only.
Krishna.
There are two elephants. This one, see?
Krishna.
This one. No, two. There's one baby even. Baby. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye. Like and subscribe.